Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. People, no show, baby. Sekuzoshutha nje ngoba ngiyathanda kodwa nje
awangeni wonke amakhola we-WhatsApp manje we defeated la in my entire existence.
angibihlala mntakama. The organizers with no show. Today we are in the fire. You can see that we are in Soweto. So we are hosting a baby shower for our friend Zanele. Yay! Yes, so if you are seeing me for the first time, I am literally judging you. Where have you been? Please hit that subscribe button, notification button, like, comment, and share. So we are cooking this side, okay? So you can see, you can tell like we are the chefs. Me and my friend, we are doing the most. This chicken or breast fillets was for chicken kebabs, and then the beef patty for the burger. Look at that. The sausage rolls, we're doing the things that makes the pots, and I loved how it turned out. It was very delicious. Okay, we cook nice food. We just don't cook nje, but we make sure that we keep our unyawo. Good people, we made things happen in that baby shower. The food was delicious. The delicacy was on another level. Okay, so yes, this was the sweet corn. I put butter and then garlic there. Yes, it was very nice. So next time I'm thinking I should use garlic powder, not the normal garlic that we have. But yeah, this is the final result. We added a little bit parsley for aesthetics. Yeah, so this was for chicken kebabs, mixed mixed spices, and then put in the cooking oil, and then you mix everything together. Add the robots, the breast fillets. Yeah, we made sure sana. Oh, please hire us for decor, hire us to cook, make platters for you, okay? This was lovely. I loved each and every minute of it. It was quite an experience. Though the days started very shaky, we're uncertain if the guests will arrive. What a time to be alive, eh? Yes, we love hosting, we love planning, we love everything and more. So if you like to support our business with my friend, please do so by all means. Okay, so let's see how our day ends up. See the chicken kebabs. There you go, the final product. Yeah, Konda. Oh, son, it was very nice. Especially if you warm them, you won't go wrong. I was fighting for my life. You can see the way I was blowing those balloons. For some odd reason, we have this thing for pumping, blowing the balloons. But I don't know, that day, we just like used our mouths. Stepdad was there to assist, and our assistant with his Ntanganatseri. Yes, girl, we made things happen. I didn't blow those balloons alone, okay? Yes, so we were doing things and I was blowing the balloons, watering them, cooking, the works. You can see all the balloons we blew, they were in the sitting room. Yeah, so yeah, this was in the morning. Me and my friend, we were trying to get the ark. The ark showed us flames. Oh my God. Next time we are putting that ark a day before, because wow, if you have done decor and you have done the ark, just know that you are in. Even if you plan and you do these things the day before, the ark on the day will show you flames. We struggled. But again, we made it. The days that and it rained. Like the weather was giving. Put the shoe at the back like a baby. But ke asazange sasifaka isicathulo emhlane yazi. wasingatetanga isicathulo vele. Oh bese siyibuza ukuthi konje isicathulo sitetwa yi-first born or yi-last born. The first born or the last born. Angisakhumbuli kahle. But again, we ended up not tetaring the scathulo. I don't know why. But yeah, so we are trying to think, and how are we going to put those things into, back to life. So but we finally made a way. Nokpiwa suggested that we cut that smolanyana findo. Yeah. And then here this were the thank you what for the guests. I know I was sitting one, but again normally we put two, all the other ones should put two. We should be siphelelwe nkosi yami. Phela ibudget ihamba phambili, besihamba ngebudget, but okay, we made it anyway. So here she was cutting the nectarines, my favorites, strawberries and red grapes, and here this was me making the fruit kebabs again, son. Now this is my favorite. Yabona ke le mayingekho emcimbini la engikhona kusho ukuthi ayichaphela kulo mcimbi awona umcimbi. It's not the party that we want. So yes, this is the final look or the final results of our fruits, and they were very nice. I'm not hyping as apne, but it was very nice. Very nice. Oh, Sana. And here again, this was delivering the chairs and the tables. Because I forgot to indicate that I need colorless, not white. And can you see how dirty the chairs were? I was so stressed, and I was supposed to clean those. My hand after that, my hand was also on the tables. So this was me cleaning those chairs one by one. So we had ordered 12 chairs and 3 tables. Okay, so 2 tables for the guests and 1 table for the food. Okay, so yeah, this was me cleaning. Ngingasakhathele nkosi yami, nazi itulo zakhona ikhala ngathi is tekateking, is not so white. But okay, I used domestos, I used but I wonder why didn't they clean even the last time. And the worst part, they didn't give us the cushions, because there should be cushions that you put on top of those chairs so that it can be comfortable. But okay, they just ignored us when we were complaining, and then we kept it moving because there was nothing that we could do. Because if we say take it back, what are we going to use? Sizohlala phansi. But yeah, I was done with the chairs. They looked a little bit better, I tried my best. I'm not a magician. I really tried. Yep.
So baby boy, when Mr. Overguy uthi 10 and 10 is early, mama. Ningayiwinga kanjani le ndaba yini ngoba ngeke phela kwazi zaphansi kwengcindezi engaka bombom mangaka. Nzoma ngethekisi manje nizoyenza njani pho ukuthi nifike la ngobani 12, right?
12, yeah. My friend here was showcasing her talent. That's where she strives. That's where she showcases the talent that she has. Hello, ibhega should be like this. And I recommend Niwazama, try and taste the uzobona. Trust me, you'll never go wrong. She's the best, okay?
Sorry.
Yeah, You can go and argue, Gesana. What is this?
That would be nothing when you become the one that treats you like a king. Oh, mama, make you watch the company you keep. But if it wasn't for that money, mommy, why wouldn't such a be?
Please show me your talent. This is my other talent, Gesana. Yi talent lami ke leli. Yabone ebhodweni. Ngiyabulala Gesana. Ngiyabulala. Ayisho. Kusho manje uyayazi. Because ngiyakhuluma lapha za. Oh, okay. I tell you, ukuthi ngimangithi ngompethe mina emabhodweni aning understand. This is how the chips must look like, baba. I love it. Yabona ukuthi iphuma kanjani? Very nice. Because this is the meat platter. Meat platter doesn't include this. No.
So not space over snap, so no.
Okay. I will not do it. Be careful. Lima. Yeah, remove my kebabs. Really like the milk. I need to. Ilekizipho zakho.
Izobuyela ngithi.
Must do it with love.
Yeah, ngizobuyela ngithi uzobona ukuthi iyashoda bese ngiyabuyela. It's not like sekubheke phe kwetafula sekuyadliwa kuselela isitsheni.
Let's just put this kebabs.
Ngiyibona iphume la.
Ngiziphuza right into ngekho.
Yabo kube kusehle etafuleni wonke aselila isitsheni bese sokhuluma ukuthi hawu waze wawashiya.
Okay, sis. Senze njani futhi? Content Joman. Sifaka in. So healthy. One. Iplante leya. Scare.
Is a follow con a spoon.
Cinnamon. Mfela?
Yes.
Hola.
Nalapha. Noma yikuphi uthanda khona.
Ngithanda khona la. Khona lena.
Ngizangazi ukuthi ngenzani la inkinga yami. Ama-chips azongena phi la? Orlando. This is beautiful. Nalamawash are giving time.
Time that is required now. Time that people would just want to do. Show me. I'm watching now. I'm making it everything and more, baby.
Amawash is giving time and
Ooh, so funa sibona inzipho zakho ke manje.
yes.
Yakutseba phela wena uthanda ukhiphe gwam kungenasidingo. Please give us our flowers because we deserve. This is a platter number 1. It looks amazing. It looks yummy. It looks ukuthi mawuqhamuka evele uthi ngidle manje. Eat now. Eat everything. You get it? It was very nice. This platter was my favorite. The sweets. The sweets were like everything in that platter was very nice. So those were Doritos, different flavors. The blue ones, the the flavors I can't remember, but yeah. And then I think she bought Lay's as well, and it was very nice. That platter was my favorite, my utmost favorite. Okay, so she was wrapping up there. In there, man.
Not chicken nuggets. Phela uthi nje Thomo uthi kudla bese uzwabeka. Isitshi.
Iblende yami. Was platter number 2, where all the meat, all kinds of meat were in that platter. Okay, so we had what do you call drumsticks, we had wings, we've got vors, sausages, we had chicken kebabs, and then we had the chicken nuggets. Health and safety, to hell with it.
Hayi shem hamba ulala.
Hambio.
Not available at present.
Well, usendleleni ke manje. Usendleleni uDumza mayiDumza.
Kubuza mazingithi move.
Yes, baby girl. Good job. I present to you platter number 2. It looks everything and more. Ah, man. Was a lot of cooking things here. Yo, Hashem, I cooked. So I was moving from the backyard to the front yard, okay? So that we can start with our setup. My friend was sweeping so that we can just start with the setup. Here, this was me trying to assemble the tables. The table, just that I didn't capture it. You see, already it was a sign. What's it, girl? You are messing things up. Yes, girl. Stepdad, please come. Yes. Outfit of the day. Yeah, shoot them. Oh, the Jamal say OTD. Okay. OTD, OTD, shoes from Shein, dress from Shein. What phela kanjani? Oh, earrings from Stens.
OTD, shirts from Foschini, jean from Small Streets. I don't have my shoes, it's hectic. And then nails from Mama and Ofaya. Yes, Silokok pen.
And me nine
And then
nails
hair
from
myself.
what? From that salon. I'm saying the organizers with no show. Something. How was the morning in 265 words? What can you say about today? Hectic. Hectic. But we made it.
One day I'm gonna make it rain.
My favorite. People no show, baby. Sekuzoshutha nje ngoba ngiyathanda kodwa nje. Ngathi sesemngcwabeni ke manje siyakadabukisa. Waqedile Joe. Ngihlobisile nokuhlobisa. Sezenjani? Phela the aim is to make this thing memorable noba abantu be
Awangeni wonke amakhola awe WhatsApp. Like we defeated that in my entire existence.
angibihlala mntakama. we were still waiting for the guests to arrive. It was very late. This is past 12, okay, to 1. Waiting for guests. Now I'm trying to take the videos because I'm thinking, what are you guys doing to us? Because we are very young. We can't host a party and then Mrs. Party will get here before you guys. Please come. Ningahlaz as a belief. Okay, so this was our decor. It was very nice, ne? Didn't have any a lot of pictures, but yeah, this is the cake. Cake was giving everything and more. Hey, that woman did the work. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and it was very nice. So it was red velvet and chocolate. So yes, Mrs. Party has arrived.
Senzenjani?
Siyisondeze ngaphozi la ayini. That's the only thing. La ayini na.
Ayana ke thola manje akuzange. Ngikephe lencane. Tanga ya lesi.
Oh yes. Oh, not yes. This is yes. Yeah, so we know. Oh, champagne. Ay, plastic na. Isa. Ito din lang. Ako na champagne.
Sasa mzala mzala na mai.
Why? Asa yete na yendo. Inan alcoholic. Kanjani again lab. Again. Sabi ka rin sa ipatsaga. Again. Tumangena ngithi. Bafuna into snacks. Okay.
What is saying kanile vele? Yo basema ke nkamile lapha. Yena ngikemela. Olele la kitchen.
Okay. Ano na po? Ano ka na? Ano po na dela mo? Kambani.
Isaba lapha.
Isaba no? Ha? Então tá por quando spicy. Oh, thank you. Aí chama.
Savana.
Aí cheira. E vai para onde tá full?
Yeah, from the full.
Yeah.
Oh, kota linda full.
Yeah.
Ngazi.
Não vou.
Kuda manje sabona ngivula.
And And then amadebe ungafisa abe namadebe kabani? Amadebe akho, alright. And then ikhala ungafisa uthatha ikhala kabani? Alright. And then ismile umntwana. Mama tag. So ngathi singamphendulela la, ne? Sasiphenduleni sonke athathe sakhe. And then i-height. Abena. Awutsho.
Udade ungakanani kanti sithola.
I need some athathe bani? Athathe skate. And then intelligence.
Both.
And then creativity, but no creative. Those are the snake. No, not sexy.
Ndingathi sebeyamsukela ke manje.
Khathi sonke ne? Kopile ulezithu uzogcina.
Hayi lezo sokulezo zethu hayi. Guys, the best
is not okay.
to your mom's heart, right? Lena ngisema ngiyithi la ngathi zisizolisi. Akunelanga ukuthi ngize ngicabange guys, uzanele kuba abantu engibaziyo, right? Uzanele like unenhliziyo enhle. And sometimes I feel ukuthi ngathi yinhle over. Engathi azama uyi-adjusta kancane. Athi uyi-adjusta kancane. Yes, because inhliziyo yazanele yo like yabona kuthiwa umuntu has a pure heart. Uzayilezi i-definition makuthiwa nje if a pure heart was ubani kumina nje I would say uzanele. Yes, if a pure heart was a person I would say uzanele. Like she would offer help ungacelanga, right? Even mawudinga something, you know, if you go to her uzokusiza, right? But besides lokho I would say I do love her for that. I love her for ubiyena, but nje lena ngosamsema ngiyifunda le nami mangibheka ama game ngathi no le ngiyayifotocopy, right? Okay, singandlula ke ngathi
Mhlakani umbiza kanjalo sibona.
No, shama magena.
Okay, I hope you learn.
oh sorry.
I hope you learn to be humble and respectful. I hope you love God, your parents and family. I hope you experience love. I hope you get your mom's sense of humor and loving heart. I hope you get your dad's hair and height. I hope you ain't afraid of life challenges. I hope you ignore anything negative that you come across. I hope you become the best version of yourself. And I hope you are beautiful like your mother. Auntie Zoe.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Thank you.
Ukhona ithuba going once, going twice. Closed.
Mama Parat.
Mina.
Number one. Okay.
What do you like?
Angisimtasa akukho okunye lapha ekhonulisa ngoba siyayenza.
Hlala phansi mama lasifonana ke.
We were doing the guessing game of the gifts inside the bag.
Amela ithinde nje ayifile phela unama feelings awuthuza nele wasebenzisa wakhe nomntwana
Mara boxing la ngathi ikhona lo mntwana le. Uyajabula nje phela khona nje. Kodwa baba na iPhone bajobo.
Oh, I like
Here it was fafa ngezipho with the presents ke sana presents.
Next customer please.
So keep up there. Just unbox.
Family lady came prepared.
What you got on?
What you got on here? Pela beka uthozi. Chikororo.
The fit is giving. Another fafa.
Ukhiphe nje umshokoledi uzofika kathi lunch bar noma yini.
Oh, noodles.
Oh, come on, guys, I'm coming to
Awusoredi, awukakabi ready. Yebo.
What should you suppose?
Oh.
Okusho into okunye futhi ama-baby wipes.
Ngiyabonga nkosiyami.
Ungahlali phansi, usazoma ke.
So.
Hayi ke, ayizinani.
Baby wipes. Usubheka na usubheka.
Hayi ngitheme mhlawumbe khona la ngizomsiza khona.
Usiza ngani?
Bele ngasubheka le ekhaya.
Idonse wa.
Surobheka
Yeah.
Blankets.
More fafa to the little baby. Yeah, we blanket.
Yokumbathisa mara.
Amanapkins awatshayo lawa.
I think ila ina message. On the back, kune message.
La?
Yeah. Oh.
Iyabuya manje ne-message yo.
I think
Awu futhi leso uyibonile phela. Sungayifundela wena i-message.
Isipon somtan.
Like imet.
Signing out. Thank you. You're welcome.
Another one.
So Sonke Sisoti, I'm not above you, I'm not below you, I'm by your side. This is the chairs, right? This is what you're saying. I'm not above you, I'm not below you, I'm by your side. Cheers. This is a puza, ne? Because I come to above, I'm below. Sonke
Eye contact. Cheers.
Eye contact. Side to side. Right? So when you say hands, ready? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. I'm not above you, I'm not below you, I'm by your side. Cheers.
Cheers to the little one. Cheers to this beautiful girl that we are all anticipating that God has blessed Zanele. Ama chips.
eqhubeka nokuyiphatha kahle ngathi namsiza
sekuyimina Khawuthishu yabukisi.
Alright, I mean amazwi engathanda ukwapha uZanele ukuthi ngimfisela okuhle engathi mase kuyisulo le delivery engateta kahle and then angakhohlwa ukuthi athandaze, right? Athandaze ayicela indlela
Lenhliziyo enhle. Man, ebathanda abantu, ebe nesikhathi abantu.
Manje sikumeleni?
Angazi ngingathini ngayo kodwa kuningi akwenzayo la kangenzela khona.
Siyabonga.
Angazi ngakubala ngithini kodwa nendlela kangenzela ngayo nami ngize ngishaya amahloni ukuthi noma ngene store ucabanga mina ukuthi khona into engenayo ngithi ngaqhubeka nalento. Angazi ngathini kodwa
Ungazikhali.
konke nje nikuleni leshem. uNkulunkulu alandisele.
Awukho okunye ngakusho usukhala phela lapha.
Ngiyabonga guys, ngiyabonga shem.
Mina ukhala ufika.
ukuze la nje ngishaya kaZanele noma kuqale nje kushake sithi ngathi ngasibabili hayibo kanjani
Ithini lento?
right
Alamangani.
nje please Nkosiyami siyabonga shem isikhathi senu elisile and I can tell ukuthi nize ngenhliziyo yamhlophe you really wanted to be here siyabonga kakhulu and then one thing sesiyavala sesivala I'm gonna be influencer, please follow her. Right? She's an influencer. Umbona ukuthi busy. Really like. Igama lakhe nali ncane sibona ni subscribe manje. Manje ngeke.
Vula phone, i-Wi-Fi nama password.
Ni subscribe manje. Subscribe ani like ni comment.
Impoqo phela le. Why bakuphoqa?
Right, please do ne. Okay, but nje beside jokes aside, masicela ukudlala. Siyabonga at the bottom from our hearts siyabonga ukuthi nizile, right? And we had fun, right?
We enjoy.
Yes, yeah.
Yo,
Right?
Amashefu ke.
Okay.
ngithina lapha amashefu.
Amashefu. Yithi amashefu.
Lapho
So mhlambe ucela indlela, you are more than welcome. Or sometimes ama ukuthi ayisebenzana is either this one.
Hayi nama ngikuhle.
Right?
So wena manje ubhayi.
Oh, what a baby shower. The guests were epic. The guests were amazing. The guests were so nice. We enjoyed ourselves. Can I just ask you right now, how was my friend on the MC Tonton? She is doing well in this MC thing, hey? And I'm thinking, girl, you must take this up as a side hustle because you are so good, in case you didn't know. And then she did mention, if I remember correctly, that this was her first time enjoying to be an MC. So she felt it, this was amazing. The people came, the guests came, and it was lovely. We were so if these guests don't arrive with so much food. But I hope Zanele did have a great day and she enjoyed herself. Okay, regardless of being late and all that, this was amazing. I can tell you right now, this was the best. Okay, this was the best baby shower we have ever done in history, because each and every year we keep, growing and learning more.
I don't really have anything to say. I just look cute and wanted y'all to see it, so here I am. Okay.
Yep, what a day. So I just got home now. I look different, right? Yes, I know. I had a weave on. I told you that I don't like weaves. Weaves are not my favorite, so I had to take it off, okay? So I'm home now. The time is 18:55. Thank you for watching.